Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Cj3B for complete clutch replacement and service and differential oil change, and also you can just check the vehicle is in the ramp at the moment. We can check the hub is completely greased, and we are going to change the brake pads also, and differential oil is going to be replaced both the sides. And you can just have a look at the complete vehicle is in the ramp, and you can just check out the back bearings have been removed, brake liners have been removed completely, and joint stars will be replaced completely. And this is the gearbox which has been completely removed. This is the old gearbox, and this is the flywheel, and these are the clutch plate, and the pressure plate is going to be replaced completely. As this is our own vehicle, we are doing major service on this one. All differential oils will be changed both front and back. So we are going to grease the bearing and put it back onto the differential, and you can just check out, these are the brake cylinders which are going to be replaced. We have one more Armada which has come for the service, and we are going to upgrade the vehicle with disc brakes at the moment. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle, this is an open vehicle. So here we have removed all the parts. Complete setup is going to be replaced with a disc. So everything is being cleaned and washed, and you can just check out the back liners, and the brake cylinders are also going to be cleaned, and we are going to check the brake cylinders also. And you can just check, these are the disc calipers which is going to be fitted on this vehicle. So this vehicle is going to be serviced completely with all major checkups done in this, like brake fluids, power steering oil, AC top up, and this is an old XPD DP3 engine in this. So you can just check out, we have removed the back differentials line also, completely going to be serviced on this. We are going to do the greasing and cleaning, everything is going to be done on this. The pipe. So right now this vehicle has come for an upgrade and also the complete service with all checkups to be done on the vehicle. For any kinds of Jeep related, service related issues, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. For any more inquiries, please do WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.